Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change SIM card name in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see the SIM card and mobile data. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in SIM card and mobile data, okay, you can see the SIM info and settings. Okay, here the SIM 1 and SIM 2. And okay guys, so okay, select the SIM you want to change the name. Okay, so I choose SIM 1. And okay guys, here in SIM 1, okay, you can see the SIM card name. And okay guys, to change it, okay, you'll have to do is click this. And the pop-up are show, and okay, now you can change the name of your SIM card. And now I changed my SIM card name. And okay guys, to save the SIM card name, okay, you'll have to do is click save button. And okay guys, here you can see the SIM card name are changed. And okay guys, okay, go back. And okay guys, here you can see here in SIM info and settings, okay, also change the name of the SIM 1. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.